The internet is in no shortage of people telling you how to gain more followers, and as someone that has a very obscure small channel, I'm here to tell you why it's more important to start a channel and why it's even more chic and cute to have a small little obscure unknown channel. Recently, I uploaded a video. It's the same video, but I uploaded a video to my main channel as well as my obscure channel. And ironically, my very small channel is doing way better. And it just got me thinking how fun it is to create content without any expectation. I'm more at ease. I'm more creative now thinking about what content to make for my obscure channel. If you're thinking about starting a channel, instead of approaching it from a very masculine, step-by-step, routine kind of way, I want you to just start a channel for the sake of it, for shits and giggles. It's like a secret club that you create with you, along with your two friends and your mom and dad. Like, this is your secret channel, this is your inside joke, you don't expect it to go anywhere. Although, the ironic thing is, the more detached you are, and the more you just focus on creating good content for yourself first and foremost, your channel will resonate with a lot of people. Your content will resonate with a lot of people. A little backstory, I'm an English teacher. I started off teaching people offline, so I went into this content creation journey hoping not to get viral, but just so that I don't have to repeat myself over and over, just so that when people ask me certain questions, I can just point them to a certain literature or a certain video that I had already made. That way I don't have to over-explain myself, I don't have to over-exert myself, and if some random stranger were to stumble upon my video and take up lessons with me, all the better. And it's like the universe, they clocked my tea and thought, I like your mentality, you're unattached, let me give you some indication that what you're doing is working. So I just kept going. I still have really obscure TikToks where I don't create to make anything. I create because it's natural, because humans are creative, because you naturally want an outlet to share your humor, to share your random thoughts that you have at 2 a.m. And I find that not having a big following relieves a lot of stress and anticipation, because I don't have to live up to any expectation that others may have for me and I may have for myself. And most importantly, like, I will never look this good. I will never be as young as I am today. Having something in recording just immortalizes that moment. And I think there's something cosmically beautiful about it. I want to create legacy digital archive for my future self and my future offspring. If you're watching this on your grandma Ella, it's literally a channel where I make videos for my future offspring, even though I don't foresee myself having children. Let's just say you're watching this, okay, you're my grandchildren from the future. And most importantly, having a small channel where you just create for yourself and very few people, is that it teaches you detachment. It teaches you to be equipoise. There's nothing more humbling than pouring your heart out into a video in front of strangers and only getting 20, 30 views, which I assure you happens 9 times out of 10. 10 times out of 10 if I'm being truly honest. And I'm here to tell you that's totally normal and you should get used to it. Even after you blow up, you're gonna have videos that do 20,000 times better than your normal videos, and the next time you create a new video, it's gonna get down to the same amount of views and you're left wondering, oh, did I do anything wrong? Was I not built for this? Was the universe sending me mixed signals? No, stop that. Believe in your worth, believe in the value of your videos so much that you don't need external validation. You don't need other people to tell you this is a good video, that is a bad video. If you truly, truly intuitively sense that this is a good video, it is a good video. And I have proof for that. The same video that did 7,000 views on my small channel is doing way worse on my big channels. That just goes to show views don't matter, followers don't matter. Your creativity, your heart, your spontaneity, they all matter. Creating content first calms you down. It gives you a creative outlet. It teaches you detachment, and it serves as great practice to learn how to speak better, learn how to be more charismatic on camera, learn how to be more articulate. All things that you need. That's my 2 cents. And at the time of recording this video, my small channel has about 800 subscribers. So I know what I'm saying. I stand by what I say. And I think there is something beautiful in that. And I suggest that you give it a try as well. All right, bye.